Alright guys, so we back with the booster sentra project. We got the remaining parts, which is the external wastegate, which is this one, fucking EMOS USA or EMS USA, whatever you want to call it, and all the piping that's going to fit it. So right now what we're trying to do is find a way to basically fit for the inlet and the exhaust for the turbo. So yeah. Alright guys, so we took out the old wastegate that was here and we got a new one. Reason why this one's broken, this nozzle, and we don't know what spring it had inside. So like I'm pushing down on it compared to this one, where this one we are going to test. There's a 1 pound spring in it. This God knows what the hell had inside of it. So we're gonna mount this one up, and hopefully we get the car running. At least we know after 1 pound that this works properly and there's no leaks in the car, none of that. So yeah, as we go, we're also finishing up the piping kit for the turbo. He's got to connect this part, make it go here, and that part over there connected with the exhaust port of the turbo. Alright guys, so right now we are under the car. If you can see it was under there, and we are working with the piping, which we did. So right now we connected the downside exhaust right here, elbows down, then straight down, back over here to exhaust. Then we have the top end that goes all the way straight. Right now I put the oil in the car. We checked the fitting on the bottom, it was good. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to crank the car and to build at least pressure up. I gotta connect the battery. So yeah, I'll get back to you just in a few. Alright guys, so moment of truth. We put on the battery tray. Actually it is a clean setup because we didn't have to move much. Either way, the battery's still going towards the back of the car regardless, to make my real estate just for fun of it. If you want to prime your system, simply remove one of the spark plugs, one of the connections to the coil. So like that, it will deactivate the spark plug, causing the car not to start. Hold on, I need both hands for this one. So yeah, after getting the connector off, we simply go inside the car, just double check that there is nothing in the way that will cause the car to go fucking AY or fuck up, because that will be bad. Alright, so hopefully the battery still works. Oh, hold on. There we go. Do his crank a few times. Still started. Hold on. Alright guys, so disconnect all your coils. We go back in the car, down to prime it. You just want to crank over a few times to let oil go to the top and prime. And one more. Yeah.
That means we built boost.
It popped it. That shit went
like that. All right, yo, get a zip tie.
All right, guys. So now we connected everything. All the fittings on. What we're doing is we're running boost gauge outside. We just disconnected again. But we're running it to make sure that it's at -20 vacuum. That means there's no leak for the car. And we set the external wastegate to a 1 pound spring. So theoretically, at 1 pound, it's gonna open, and you're gonna hear this car basically scream. So it should be fun. Just a little bit.
Not a lot, baby girl. Just a little bit.
All right, you ready?